Now the values of FED is equal to 8.67 and FE is equal to 2.89. Must be remembered that whenever you use the sign assumption and that direction assumption away from the joint, and the value of corresponding member should be equal as you calculated. For example, if the value equal to positive 8.67, you have to use a positive, and if the value is negative, then you have to use negative. Okay, now same as we previously calculated summation of all the fy equal to 0. Okay, so see that there is only two forces that contribute towards y-axis. Okay, these are the two values. Okay, so the values of f e b sine 60. Okay, so this is positive. Okay, because this contributes to upward direction. Okay, the same way is equal to f e c sine 60 degree positive. Okay, so the value should be equal to 0. Okay, now see that there are two unknowns. Okay, and the previous examples and the previous joint that we have calculated, and that joint only there is one unknown, so we just go to the other point of the other side of the 0 and calculate the value. So here this is not the same. Okay, now this is your equation 1. Okay, now you have to use summation of all the fx is equal to 0. Now see that 8.67 is your positive. Okay, 8.67 is equal to your positive, and 2.89 is your negative. Okay, because this is acting on left hand side. Okay, so 2.89 negative. Now see that this fec contribution of fec should be cos 60. Okay, minus, because this is in this direction, so minus feb cos 60 now equal to 0. Okay, now I calculated the values. Okay, and the values equal to 5.78 plus fec cos theta and minus feb our cos 60. Okay, now these are the two equations, so these equations are called linear equation. Okay, there are a variety of different methods in which you calculated these two values, but here I just want to show a simplest way using calculator through which you can easily find your values feb or fec. Okay, so now see that the uh, uh, the sequence of equation is like feb plus fec. Okay, now just write that. For example, I rewrite that equation feb cos 60 plus fec cos 60. Okay, now our if I go if I use 5.78 in the other side of the 0, so I can just rewrite the equation like fec 0 minus 5.78. now just use the calculator. Now go to your mode. Okay, and you use 5, press 5, because you have to calculate equations. Now see that there are a variety of equations. Okay, now see that you have to use the first one. Okay, because a b c. Okay, here there are three variable 1 2 3 4. Okay, now you have just press 1. Now just put the values. Okay, like don't put feb. Okay, I just give you an example like that. Okay, see that from here I just put the value. Okay, let's see feb multiply by sine 60, so you just write sine 60. Okay, like sine 60. Okay, the values of sine 60 here is automatically written here. Okay, now write again fec sine 60, sine 60 now equal to 0. This I'm sorry is equal to 0. Okay, now put the other values. Second equation, this minus cos 60. Okay, this minus cos 60, again plus cos 60. Okay, equal to minus 5.78. So see that x mean that your first value is equal to FEB. Okay, so FEB equal to, you can just press this button, 5.78. This is your positive value. Okay, now press equal to find another value. FEC equal to minus 5.78. Okay, in this way you have find the two member forces FEB, FEC.